Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Benefits of multimedia and ICT in 21st century. Multimedia. Multimedia is the use of computer to present text, graphics, audio, animation, and videos in a creative and interactive way for the users to use as their communication. ICT or Information and Communication Technology is the technology used to handle the process of communication like broadcasting, monitoring, telecommunication, and others. What benefits do ICT and multimedia have in the 21st century? Multimedia and ICT have benefits in education, work, society. Education. Multimedia and ICT have an essential role in the education of the 21st century learners and education. We can observe that with the help of modern technology, learning and teaching has been much easier, for example in presentation of lesson, reporting, computation of grade, communication, work. Similar with the benefits in education, the multimedia and ICT makes works much easier than before. The following are some advantages multimedia and ICT have in work. It enhances the model of communication, present ideas in creative form, paperless documents. Documents are easier to edit, can save time and money. Society. Multimedia and ICT has an effect to the society too. Living during 21st century involves high-tech and modern technology to be updated with the world. Thus, the use of multimedia and ICT also increase accessibility, communication, easy access, entertainment.
Sir, tapos na po.